Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can purchase with Tabby in Noon. So the first thing that you have to do is open the Noon application or the website. So in here what you're gonna do is just pick any product that you want to order. So let's say for example we're gonna go to grocery. So you just have to click on it and then you just have to choose any product or item that you want to get. So I'm gonna click on this laundry care just for an example. So in here you will be able to pick any. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add to cart some random things in here. And then once you're done adding that to your cart, go ahead and tap on your cart from the top right corner. And then you will be able to see all your added items in your cart. Now, once you're here, what you're gonna do is you just have to click on the checkout, and then you will be asked for an OTP sent to your phone number. So you will just have to type here the OTP that you have received in your phone number, and after that, you will be redirected to a page where you have to choose the payment method. So in there, you will just have to click on the Tabby, and then you will see the installment plans available for you. So you just have to pick any. It might be 3 months, 6 months, but it depends on you. And then you just have to click on any plans that you want, and you will be able to proceed with the Tabby payment. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this very helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!